Each month you will want to bill your customers for their meter usage and/or recurring charges. To achieve this, Copy Control will import current meter counts from your chosen data collection system. In this screen we can see a list of devices that Copy Control wants to invoice for the current month, and we can see that it has performed some basic checks to ensure the following. We have readings from the data collection system, and if we do, they are not lower than the previous invoice readings, they are not stale, they are above a certain value threshold, they are not much higher or lower usage than the previous invoiced readings, amongst a few other checks. In this example, we can see that our customer has 150 or so devices that need to be billed. And assuming all is good with the checks and balances mentioned previously, all that is required is a click of a button, and the system will apply those readings, account for any inclusive or minimum billing requirements, add on any recurring charges and generate a list of invoices for the current month. In this case, it took around 20 seconds. If there were any issues, for example a device has dropped off monitoring, or the readings were errant in some way or stale, you will be inevitably left with some stragglers, but this is no issue as these can be dealt with manually. Let's look at this example here. I can manually enter the readings by clicking a button, type in the readings manually and hit save. Let's have a look at one of these invoices that we have created within the system. Here we can see the rental charge for this device along with mono and colour usage charges. This invoice has not yet been exported, so in this instance, with a simple click of a button, I will export this to 0. You wouldn't normally do this on a case-by-case basis and would select all invoices in a batch. If we now look in 0, we can see the invoice has been imported as a draft, and we can see the same information as that in Copy Control. Also, if we look in Copy Control, we can see the 0 invoice reference, and this is useful to empower users of Copy Control to answer basic invoicing queries without the need for access to your accounting solution. Obviously, more detailed inquiries would need escalation to the person with access to, in this case, 0. It's as simple as that, and if you employ the use of an accurate data collection agent, such as Print City, and have the majority of your devices reporting regularly, we like to think that you could generate your monthly invoices in a matter of minutes.